In this lecture, we can discuss about US federal standard for clean room. So here you see we can differentiate this into class name, and these are class limit. As you know that micron is basically the size of particles. Here you see we have this is SI units or SI type, and these are English. So here is a class name like class, this is class 100, this name is class 1000, this is class 10,000, and this is class 1 lakh. As we discussed in previous lecture that we divide or we classify over the number of particles present in a specific volume into uh, different classes and give them name like class 100,000. So these are names of classes. So here you see this is the meter cube volume, this is the number of particles which whose size is about zero point 0.5 micron present in meter cube, and the number of particles present in the feet cube volume whose size is zero point 0.5 micron. So the first class is class 100. So here you see in class 100 the number of particle present in um, specific volume is 3530, and similarly there are 100 particles whose size is zero point 0.5 micron are allowed in class 100 in 100 cube feet cube. Similarly in 1 feet cube. Similarly, if the particles whose size is 5 micron are not allowed in this class 100. Similarly, class 1000, in class 1000, 35,300 particles are allowed, but in 1 meter cube, and but in 1000 of 1000 0.5 micron particles are allowed in 1 feet cube in class 1000. Similarly, 5 micron to 47 micron in 1 meter cube are allowed, and 5 particles whose size is 5 micron are number 7 are allowed in 1 feet cube. Similarly, here you see in 10,000 class, uh, 10,000 particles are allowed in 1 feet cube and 1 cubic feet, and 3,53,000 zero point 0.5 microns are allowed in 1 meter cube, and 5 micron number 2470 particles are allowed in 1 meter cube, and 70 micron side 70 particles are allowed in 1 meter cube whose size is 5 micron. And similarly in 1 lakh 35 35 lakh 30,000 part and 1 lakh and are allowed in zero point 0.5 microns. And similarly 24,700 and 700 700 particle whose size is 5 microns are allowed in 1 meter cube and 1 feet cube volume. So all pharmaceutical facility belong to one or other class. Clean general acceptance is in tableting facility are class 1 lakh. So it means that 1 lakh per feet cube uh, microns are allowed, point whose size is zero point 0.5 micron in tableting facility. Similarly in topical or oral liquid, which is class 10,000. So in class 10,000, as you know that 10,000 10,000 particle whose size is 0.5 micron are allowed in 1 feet cube. And similarly the most critical one is injectable class, which is class 100. So class 100 is the most sensitive class. So in this class only 100 particles are allowed in 1 feet cube space whose size are zero point 0.5 micron. So these are different standards. Now here we can discuss that this is for our general US federal standard, and these are European community standard. So in European community standard we divide these classes into A, B, C, D. So maximum permitted number of particles per meter cube equal to or above 0.5 micron or 3500 micron in grade A, 35,000 in grade B. Similarly 3 lakh and 50,000 in grade C and 35 lakh in grade D are allowed. Similarly here you see these are allowed at rest. Maximum per number of micron whose number of particles per meter cube equal to or above 5 micron whose size are allowed. They are in grade A we cannot allow them. Similarly in grade B we do not allow allow particle whose size are above 5 microns. So in class C 2000 and in class D 20,000 particles are allowed per cubic meter. So in these are at rest. Say in operating maximum permitted number of particles per meter cube equal to or above 0.5 micron. So 3500 particle are allowed in operating. Similarly here you see 3,50,000 particles are allowed in class B. 35 lakh particles are allowed in class C, and in class D not defined. It means that many similarly maximum permitted number of particles per meter cube to or above 5 micron. So we cannot allowed in class in grade A, but in grade B 2000 and in grade C 20,000 particles are allowed during operation.